Hello YouTube, got some snow going on here. Right there is the 14302 Hypergo. We'll do a test run here in the street, see if it's going to go. I already tested some others, like you can see here. The snow is quite deep. There isn't a lot of clearance on this car, so I'll try here where a car drove by, so maybe it's going to work better. 3S, let's go. Got the blinking going. Brakes, let's go. There's too much snow. Every time it gets into too deep snow, it doesn't go pretty well. If I could keep it right here, could probably go better. A little bit more. See if I can get this track. Oops. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's packed with snow. The snow is quite deep right now for this car. It was a nice experiment. Let's take the cover off and let's see if the dust cover did its job, preventing snow from going inside. Have the other one I just tested as well, the 303 or 14303. Let's check it out. This nice one here. Cover up, back. I'm gonna take this pin off, put this in here. Yeah. Quite packed with snow. Let me turn this off. Yeah, so it did work. I don't think it's going to overheat running like this. I did unplug the fans because I thought a lot of snow would get here. It did not actually. So this is the 14302. Too much snow, did not run pretty well. Similar with this one as well. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.